So today I'm going to briefly touch on how you can take a large data set and then break it into individual components, in this case your treatments, into subset data sheets in R that you can then use however which way you want. So here we are in R. We are aiming to subset our data. Again, load all the necessary packages. If you're going to continue to plot and make figures, ggplot is your friend. Load those. I'm loading dplyr and tidyr. If you haven't installed those, do so. But because I've already done this, I'm just going to clear the field and we're going to go forward. So we're going to use a data set that is preset in R called plant growth. So anybody can find this, and what it looks like is this. We're viewing plant growth. This is the data sheet. We have a column of the weight of whatever plant this is and the group or the treatment that they are in. So control, treatment 1, and treatment 2. However, we want to subset into control as one data sheet, treatment 1 and treatment 2 as their own other separate data sheets. Because if we want to run, say, a linear model to see if our data is normal, we want to focus just on individual treatments and not look at them all together. So in order to subset into the treatment categories listed in the group column of the data, we need to create a new sheet or new variable, which will then appear here in the global environment. So we're going to make control is the subset of plant growth in which the groups are equal to, and then in quotations, we put control. This is all coming from the plant growth data sheet. So if we run this, you can see up here, there are 10 observations of 2 variables. And if we were to return to plant growth, we can see there are 30 total. So control is one treatment, treatment 1 is another, treatment 2, and they each all have about 10 each. 2 variables being our columns, which tells us that we have all of our control variables in the subset data sheet called control, in which we just named. So returning over here, we want to make treatment 1 the subset of plant growth in which the group column is equal to treatment 1. Treatment 2 is the subset of plant growth at which group column is equal to treatment 2. So we run those. We can see over here on the right, control has 10 items, 10 observations that are just control. Treatment 1, just treatment 1. Treatment 2, just treatment 2. If your measurements that you've taken create multiple columns, you would have multiple columns for the given treatment that you are isolating your data for. All right, this has been a brief tutorial on how to subset your data, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I will respond as best I can. Thank you.